Postal ID Requirements 2023. Number 1, kailangan magdala ka ng original copy and photocopy ng mga susunod na mga dokumento. Number 1, dalawang kopya ng duly accomplished PID application form, Postal ID application form. Pangalawa, proof of identity. Submit any one of the following: birth certificate issued by NSO or local civil registry, GSIS or SSS UMID card, valid driver's license, valid passport, marriage contract for married women. Only if documents and ID submitted does not bear married name. Okay, so marriage contract lang pagka hindi lumalabas yung married name sa mga ID. Okay, next naman, applicants with no birth certificate, UMID, driver's license, or passport may submit any of the two following documents, at least one of which should bear the applicant's photo and signature: BIR ID, baptismal certificate, certificate of birth, college or postgraduate transcript of records, confirmation certificate, elementary or high school form 137, marriage certificate, valid alumni ID, valid basic postal ID, valid college, school or university ID, valid company ID, valid integral bar of the Philippines ID, valid NBI clearance, valid OWA ID, valid Pag-ibig ID, valid PhilHealth ID, valid PRC ID, valid paper-based postal ID, valid police clearance, valid seaman's book, valid senior citizen ID, valid tax identification number card, valid voter's ID. You can submit at least one of these, no? So, dalhin nyo to. Next naman, proof of address. Submit any one of the following. Isa lang, ha? Barangay certificate of residency issued within 3 months prior to PID application, certified true copy of lease kung nag-lease ka, certified true copy of titles issued by the Land Registration Authority or the LRA, certified true copy of real estate tax receipt, certified true copy of real estate tax receipt, bank statement, credit card statement, school billing statement, utility bill, cable, electric, internet, landline, telephone, or water. Ito naman yung application requirements of foreign residents. Number 1, 2 copies of duly accomplished application form. Number 2, proof of identity. Passport must be valid for at least 6 months prior to application. Any one of the documents relative to stay in the Philippines valid 6 months prior to application. Alien certificate of registration identity. Long stay visa extension. Temporary resident visa, diplomat visa, special resident retirees visa. Proof of address. Submit any one of the following: barangay certificate of residency, certificate or statement of account from hotel, transient home, or temporary residence within 3 months prior to application, certificate from hotel or transient home or any temporary residence within 3 months prior to application, notarized if applicable land, house, or condominium lease contract, bank statement, credit card statement, school billing statement. So yun ang mga requirements to get a postal ID this 2023. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai, ang inyong coach ng Bayan.